Welcome back to the second part of the Overleaf today. In the previous video, you have seen that how you can able to you can log in your Overleaf. Not only log in, after login, how you can copy and paste your research paper in IEEE format, which I have shown, and I hope it is not it is clear those who have already done it and those who have gone through the videos. And those who have not watched that video, you go through before that fast before you try the second one. So this is in second time. This second one which I'm going to show you all is about that how you can able to uh, insert the tables as well as your flowchart in your IEEE conference paper in your Overleaf. So this is the two major important point which I'm going to show you in a easy way method how you can able to use the latex in a proper format. So you please keep watching properly step by step, and when you are trying to do this, when you're watching this video, make sure that your laptop, along with your laptop, you are there. Then you can try it along with me, and you can follow the instruction what I'm doing. That will be much more easier, and I believe that little by little you'll become more expert on how to use this Overleaf in a proper way. So let us go ahead without wasting much time. Let me minimize my image. Now, last time we have already shown you how to insert the abstract and then introduction. We have done that. Now, the most important thing is that we want to insert the what is a figure. Suppose you want to insert the figure out here. See here, the dotted is given out here. In this dotted, we have the figure. Now, if you click here, this is the figure latex. It is given here. See, if you click here, it is given here figure and then this one. Now, what we can do is, I'm assuming that you have a figure which is already framed or is already designed. And if you don't know how to design the figure also, that I have shown in my video, you can watch throughout the video also. There I have shown how to draw the figure in an easier way. Now what we can do is that I already has what I have to do, click on this dot. This is the new feature of Overleaf. In new features, we have a lot of facilities. You can generate equations instantly. If you want to generate an equation, you can generate it instantly by putting all this display here. Okay, this is one feature they have given newly. And then you can generate abstract also. Then you can title generator is also there. Then you can use the AI assistant to write your Overleaf. So they have added new features based on the need and based on the new trend, which is very important that they get updated and they are getting. And it was very awesome, and getting much more easier to do while I was exploring these tools and all these things. So I would rather suggest you all, please explore the tool, make mistake and learn it. Even me also, I made mistake, but then I keep on practicing, and then it gave me, and now I'm familiar with all these important tools. So here what I'm going to show you is the easy one is that click on this three dot what you see, and what you can do is that you can see here portion that cross reference. Here you will find insert citation. The third one you'll find insert figure. So what you have to do, you click it out here. So you have four options here. If your figure is in URL format, you can take from there. If it is from another project, you can take from there. And if it is from your project file, that also you can take from it. So since I have a flowchart which is already uploaded from my computer, so what I'm clicking here, and then uh, I will select the folder project of the folder. Otherwise, select from your computer, click there, and I have for the practice purpose, I have kept out here capstone with the name of capstone. Let me just check it out. There is a flow chart by name which I already has. So fine. Okay, I'll just type and see figure capstone. Okay, let me just take one any example out here. Okay, I'm just a desktop. Okay, sorry. I'll go here and see here capstone flowchart. So for trial, I'm clicking out here, and it is already uploaded my capstone flowchart with JPG file. Then what you can do, insert figure. Okay. So after inserting this figure, what you can do is see here. Previously, what it does, you have to upload and then you have to give the title. Here see, it is already came by name capstone figure. See, little new technology, they have already come up with new things. So you recompile now. After recompiling, you'll find here the figure which I want to insert in the in my research paper in the format of here latest format. Okay, see here. See here. Can you see the figure? It is already. Can you see the figure? Let me just zoom it out so that you can able to see it. Look here. This is the figure which I have added. New figure which I have added out here. Can you see the figure? See. So likewise, you can able to add. And if you want to add in the specific format, suppose you want to add in the specific format. Suppose I'm assuming that uh, you want to add this portion, this. Okay, you want to add in this portion where I'm seeing this figure. Okay, so likewise you can able to do and you can change. Now assume that you want to put the same latex format nearby. Suppose you want to put this format, uh, then what you can do, I will suggest that if you are not knowing the format, the easier way is uh, go to ChatGPT and write this command prompt. Give me the IEEE latex format for figure. For inserting figure with 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 size option. Why I'm writing size option out here? So that you can able to minimize and you can make it bigger, smaller. In this wise, I'm writing here size option. So give me the IEEE latest format for inserting figure with size option. So you'll get a latest format here. See, this is the latest format with size option. So what I can do here, copy this, then I'll go to the page, overleaf page. Now I'm assuming that I want to paste somewhere. I'm putting here somewhere in this part after this. I'm assuming. So based on that, what you can do, you click, double click out here. I'm just minimizing. So I'm making sure that I want to put this figure out here. Okay, so I'm clicking out here. So after clicking here, you will find the abbreviation and see here, abbreviation. You can see here abbreviation. After this, I want to put it out here. So keep a little space. Try to keep a little space. Then you Control V. Now what happened? You want to put that name, right? What was the figure name? What was the figure name of your? That is capstone, which you have already uploaded, which is called figure name capstone. By default, it will come capstone C JPG. It is coming capstone uh, JPG, right? So let me just try and see is it running or not, or it is showing some error. Okay. So new things have changed. Actually, new things have changed, and it is coming here capstone PSG, but it is not getting the call. Okay. So what I can do now, let me just Control Z. Okay. So I'm writing here what was the name capstone. What was the name? Let me just go through. Let me check once again what was the name that we have put. So what do you have to do? You should make sure that your capstone flow chart. This is the name. Capstone F is small letter. Okay, fine. Now got it. Capstone flow chart. Okay. So it is not directing directly. It is giving some problem. Maybe because of what is that? AI, because of AI. Sometimes they become frequently to use all these things labeling AI. Okay, fine. Look here. Look here. So what I'll do here, this figure, you can see here latex format. What I can do is that you copy here and write CAP capstone flowchart over here. This is the one. So I'm putting here capstone. Now it will come here, okay? In this portion, it will come here. So I'm recompiling it, okay? The same figure will come twice, okay? The same figure will come twice. Why it is showing too big? Because we have not resized. See here, we have not resized. The figure is showing so big. Now what we can do, what I want to resize this figure. Look here, how the size is coming. It is too big. Can you see? It is not resizing the page. So you might face this type of problem. So when you face this type of problem, what you can do is copy this latex format. You just copy and go to your chat gpt, and then you paste it out here and give, no, sorry, rewrite the latex format with size option. Okay, that means I'm going to write the same format, but I want this resize option. Okay, so that I can with size option, with resize option. Okay, or you can write size option, or you can write resize option. Okay, I'm just typing out here. So in this way you can use a proper prompt to define and bring them. Now you can copy this, copy, and go to your page. Then I will refine here and paste it out here. Now if I paste it out here, see, now the size will become smaller and more appropriate as per your convenient. Now this is the challenges you are seeing. Now you'll get in the format. Look here, you got in the format, right? See here, two pages are there. uh, I'm just showing you two pages are there. Okay, so in this way you can able to apply the latex format. Okay, in this way you can able to apply, but I don't know what is the problem showing out here. Centerize, it is showing center, mm, and caption Loveland. Yeah, it should come out here. Okay, so the what to say, um, the code which I have applied here is the correct one. I think there is some error, and if you want to rewrite, okay, since I'm showing online, so I'm showing you directly to the without editing my this platform. So I just want to make it sure that it is goes to the right direction. Okay, so full recommended here out here is keeping fine. This is the one. Let us use this full example recommended IEEE. So what I can do here, uh, copy paste and give in IEEE latex format with resize option. Okay, since this is newly platform, now it is changed, lot of feature has been changed, so you have to be very careful while you are using this. Okay, so I'm showing you the optional how you can able to prepare, how you can able to do it. So here capstone, this is their one they have given. This is the second one, scaling up, they have given the second one, adjustment. So let me copy the second one, first one, second one, you can just try and see. So Ah, let me just capstone, not flowchart, capstone flowchart, right? I think it is capstone flowchart. Let me just type again once again. It should come here. See, this figure should come like this. So after that, let me recompile now. Let me recompile. Okay. See here, it is coming the page. Can you see here? It is coming the page. Now you can resize this. If you want to resize 0.7 here, scaling, you can write 0.1 and you can resize. This is the option that scaling, that resizing your page as per your convenience. Okay, and it will become smaller. Okay, so let me just uh, give me a few minutes. See here, so what we can do, fine, because I have to, my power was almost shut down. That's why I just came. Now look here. Can you see it is resized now here? See here. Can you see the resize here option? See, I'm showing you live demo. Okay, so I'm not editing anything. So this is the live demo that I'm showing. This is the way how you can able to upload. You can try. Okay, use the prompt which I'm using. In that way you can do. And now if you want to add table, suppose you want to add your table, results table out here. Okay, so this should be, just I'm showing you, but you should add in the proper place, in the which section you want to add. But I'm just showing you. Go to click here in dot file, then you can click this portion, insert table. Okay, now what type of insert table? If you want to make from the text, image text that you can create, or you want to select size, you can select size. See here, if you want to select how many rows and columns are there, so you can select the rows and column and you can form it out here. See, so likewise you are saying here, say, models. Okay, and secondly you are talking about uh, accuracy. So in that way you can able to, just I'm recompiling so that you can able to see after this, just after this figure. Okay, look here, you'll find, see here, table 3 caption, you see here. So likewise you can able to make them and reform, and you can able to form the table format. Okay, and one more thing is that here you can see here, this is a table format. Here also you can use this table format. Okay, so in this way you can able to create here. Go to click here and then type here and then select size, and then you can create your table as per your convenience. And one more thing is that image. Suppose I'm assuming that you have an image, so table image, let me just get um, uh, wait, I'm writing here as, let us walk, I'm showing, please wait. Now we are typing here as uh, table scores in Excel. I'm assuming that you are having this table. Okay, I'm just assuming. Let me take the image. So this is your image, right? So I'm assuming this is the data that you want to get to. So what I can do, I can copy crop in this. I just want to crop this. So I'm cropping this just for testing purpose. And then I'll go to Overleaf. Go to Overleaf, click here, insert from text or images. You want to image, accept and continue. This is your text and this is your image. You can click in the image. Okay, and where they have saved that screenshot, it is somewhere here. Screenshot is there. Screenshot folder is out here. I think at the last, this is the screenshot, right? See here. In that way, you can generate. So they have given an AI feature here that you can able to use more easier way, and how you can insert your table. So you have two ways to insert the table. You can do in this format also, and then it will get you to create your what is it, latex format immediately as per what table you want to have. So if you're having table in the form of Word file or something, just you crop and paste and it will generate you a table. Okay, then you insert. After inserting, see it is coming here. Look here, all the table has came here. Now you recompile. It is very easy, right? So you have to understand how to use it and how to apply this. Okay, see here, the table format will come now. Okay, you just have to give some little time. You will see the output of table format. Where is it? I think it is down. Recompiling the table. It is already there. I don't know. each requirement table is there, fine. mm, and table resizing format. Okay, some of them get little this one, you have to check it little bit carefully before you copy and paste. So there's a command from control Z, it is coming. Then in this way you can able to do, just try once, okay, just try once, because I'm doing directly now. So it was supposed to show the image, the table. In this way you can able to insert. This is one way of inserting your table. Okay, and one more thing I want to show is, suppose you are having that image file, suppose you are having the image file, you want to go here. So what you have to do, and close here, this is the second option, I'm showing second option. Click on the attach file, then this is the attach file that you have. Then you write give this table in IEEE LaTeX format. Okay, in IEEE LaTeX format. So you can just click. Okay, after that you can run. Let me run this. So you have two ways to do. You can do that directly also, that you have to cross verify a little bit. You can try. I have already done it, but I don't know what is the problem here now. But that's why I'm showing you again the optional, that how you can generate this. Okay, so I'm putting enter here now. I want to get. So don't try to forget, don't forget that to write that IEEE LaTeX format. So this is what I want to make you all sure that how you are going to use. This is the same thing that we are seeing there, and same format. Now what I can do, I can copy this, go to your overleaf. Suppose I want to put this table maybe after here, uh, after this authors and affiliation. Just I'm assuming that you need to put the table out here. Okay, just double click here, author organizations. Then I'm giving space, make little space so that you can understand that your changes are there, and just control and V, you just paste it out and let us see how it runs or not. Okay, this is the option, this is the option that you can do, how you can uh, create a table. See, this is the table it came out. See, this table is already here. Can you see? Table is generated. So likewise we can able to do it. Okay, why it is overly? Because previously it is already there here one table, that's why. So in this way you can able to form the table as well as the flowchart if you want to add in your paper. And it is very important that you should add, at least in the research paper, in research paper it is very important that you should have a table format, you should have a data set of table format, and your flow chart and your algorithm. These are very very important that you should know. And your graphs, if you want to add your graph, that also you can do. I'm showing you the flow chart here. If you want to add the graphs, the same thing process you can able to use. Suppose you are having a graph, let me show this last one. This is the flow chart. You can just copy this, copy copy and take to another form and paste it out here, paste it. And just what you have to do, you have to upload that one. Click here, this portion, insert figure. Say suppose sorry, I'm just writing insert figure, then upload from computer. Let me choose the flow chart, or maybe a graph or anything which is already safe. Is it already safe or not? Let me just check. I have or not. Let me just check it once. Okay, flow chart. Now you can see this is the graph, right? You want to add this graph. Suppose you want to add this graph. I'm just assuming that you want to add this graph. So what you can do is that I'm clicking this, and then see here size is all there, 1 by 4, 1 by. So you can use as per your size here. If you want to include caption, include label, all these things. I want to use 1 by 4. Suppose I want to click 1 by 4 or something, so you can able to insert that. Okay, and insert figure. So in this way you can able to do, and you can able to modify. And look here, there is the bar graph which I have already put the name, caption name bar graph here. So this bar graph you can able to re-upload. then you can recompile, then you'll see this bar graph in your paper. Okay, look here, let us check it out. Okay, this is the way how you can do, and I hope it is very clear. See here, this is bar graph. This is the bar graph which you can keep. So likewise, you can able to upload. I'm just showing you, though I'm not properly showing you where to add, what to add, but I have already shown you how to add in Overleaf your flowchart, your paragraph, your um, table format, and these are very very important that you should know. Okay, so in the next video, I'll come up with more ideas that how to insert an equation and how you can frame proper equation, all those things I'll show you, so that you keep following my channel. Do not miss the channel, and I hope that in this way you can able to become an expert in writing your research paper using Overleaf. Thank you so much. Thank you.